Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody's doing all right. Everybody's doing good. We are doing better. The weather in New Jersey is finally opening up. We have had a great last week, good weather, and our school just got over yesterday. Yay! No more school. The next 10 days are going to be super easy for me and Vivan. We are not going to do anything. I'm going to utilize these 10 days to plan for the next 3 months that are coming up. Our school is going to open in September. But I'm not going to talk about that today. This video is all about the giveaway of Smartivity that I had posted a couple of weeks back. And I'm super excited for all you guys. There were so many entries, so many messages, so many emails that I got. I know there was a bummer because I did this specially for Indians, only for the Indian consumers, for Smartivity. However, don't worry, for the rest of the people who are staying all across the world, there's going to be an international giveaway very, very soon. Just keep an eye on the videos that I'm going to be posting these couple of weeks, and you'll be getting one for sure. Okay, so for Smartivity, there will be 2 boxes that will be given to 2 winners, 1 box each of the building set. The winners need to provide me their email address. I'm sure you have already emailed it to me, but just with your name, your address, your kid's age, and I will be sending the boxes to you guys. So what I have done is I have picked up all the names. So we got 160 names in total, 160 people who participated. But however, guys, there were so many things. I think that you guys missed doing it. So in terms of total number, I think we got shortlisted to 16 or 17 who ticked all the criterias. So you all posted the pictures of you took the screenshots of the likes plus the comments to me, and you emailed it to me in a very detailed manner. So I had to go through each and every one of them. And the ones who had sent me just two screenshots or just one message, guys, I would not be able to do that because the rules were very, very defined. So for the next giveaway, I'm gonna keep it a little more simple so that everybody can participate and we can churn out more, and there are more winners too. So are you excited? I'm gonna show you a small clipping now where you're gonna see we are turning the wheel, and it's gonna, so the name of the app is Wheel of Names. So we have entered all the names, and let's see who's gonna win it. Are you ready? Let's check it out. So guys, I'm going to be spinning the wheel, and you're going to see who will be the winner, the first winner of the Smartivity box. Ready? Congratulations, Swathi. You are the first winner. The spelling is S-W-A-T-H-I. You are the winner. I'm so excited. I'm going to put your name right below in the description box so that you know it's you exactly for the full name. Can't wait. Let's get going with our second winner. I'm going to spin the wheel again. So our second winner is Vidhya. Congratulations. So our first winner was Swathi and the second one is Vidhya. I'm so excited for you guys. You will be getting an email from me as soon as you share all your details with me over the email. I'm going to reply back and tell you exactly the boxes, when are they going to arrive to you. I can't wait. I can't wait for your kids to get the boxes and you guys experience the Smartivity box that I got for Vivan. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you subscribe my channel and keep a lookout because there are so many more giveaways I'm going to do for all over the world. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thanks.